The cities were having to spend so much money replacing manholes and underground utilities, and so for a company to be able to come in, take a structure and be done rebuilding that structure in say 3 to 5 days, depending on the condition, is way more cost effective than replacing it.
Coming from the structural background, we were in the structural rehabilitation of sinkholes and underpinning and piling and grouting and so on and so forth. So we were structurally oriented. We had a network of hundreds of structural engineers in the state of Florida that we worked with. And after some time and some research, the more excited we became because we could see Sprayroq was a fantastic product.
Our company started by applying hydromulch and doing things with grass and turf. And then along the line, he met some of the individuals from Sprayroq back then and took a chance on it. It really clicked and meshed with our company.
Realizing that municipal rehab was going to be an ongoing business with the deterioration and the decay of 30 to 50-year-old infrastructure, there's kind of a timeline that will go on forever to make these repairs. And that's something I chose at the time in my career to learn more about and get involved with.
Our SCPs, at their core, they're partners with us. That's what SCP means. It's a Sprayroq certified partner. So to really join into that, they have to really buy into the true partnership. They have to dedicate the assets that they need, business development, dedicated equipment, rigs to facilities, everything down to dedicated crews that are consistently, repeatedly trained and keep up with good practices. It does take capital investment. It does take hard work. It does take boots on the ground. And we've put a lot of effort into making sure that we're the best at what we do, and we expect that from our partners as well.
Top scale industry personnel are developed. I think they develop with a combination of effort from Sprayroq, their technical training, their continued involvement in our business growth, keeping our crews safe, and the mission is to let them all come home at night.
We've had training at our facility, and we've also had people come to Alabama for training, so we've done a lot of both.
And Sprayroq has always been there when we called upon them to get these guys not only the basic knowledge, but then tools then to build on to become that master applicator.
We have literally had to place phone calls to these guys. I'm talking, we've been on the phone at 2 in the morning before with them, and they were Johnny on the spot for us with questions and concerns. And not only just that, but also ideas. Hey, well, what about this? Did you try this? Well, yes, we did. Okay, well, then what about this? Did you try that?
Through the years, it's a little bit of everything that you can imagine coming up, whether it's parts, whether it's first time we've seen this type of issue or concern, not necessarily with any equipment, but job site specific. I can call on Sprayroq and we work through the details and we find the proper solution for that situation.
They've always been there to help us with solutions. The technical side, the engineering side, and the support, along with just a good partnership, has helped us together grow.
And so as we look forward, we have to look to innovating the brand. We have to figure out what that means. The Sprayroq system is very sound. It's proven to be extraordinarily successful, and we can leverage that success to do more things that will allow our SCPs again to be successful in the various environments for which they operate.